If you want to have a bright smile, then try White2nite. And let me tell you something, this is very useful and I like to use it after dinner because right after dinner I won't eat or drink anymore. So this is how it looks, and what you want to do is obviously you have to turn the pen until I see the liquid flowing down. I'm turning the pen here. So you're going to put this on your teeth. It doesn't have a bad taste, but you want to smile like that for 30 seconds because it needs to dry inside your mouth on your teeth. And right after that, you're going to not eat or drink for 30 minutes. After that, go to sleep, wake up with a beautiful bright white smile. So just like this. If you're a coffee drinker, this is a must have. Drink your coffee in the morning, but make sure you put White2nite at night.